Moses Adio said, "Hi, David. This is Moses from Nigeria. I would like to have more details about Belarus work visa." So, Moses, I'm going to be playing with you as much as possible, right? So, Belarus work visa is ongoing currently, but these are the things involved and the things that are required, okay? So, basically, how it works is that you're going to find a company, right, that is going to give you a work permit. And this work permit is going to be taken from the immigration center, which will be in turn taken to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to authenticate this document that you have been legally employed in Belarus. So they just need your passport to start this process. Yeah. So once this document has been legalized by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, then you can take this document to the embassy, the Belarusian embassy in your home country, to apply for a work visa. Now, take note of this, right? Most of the companies here can give you a work permit, right? But before they do that, to hire a foreigner from outside, they need a permission. They need to get a permission from the immigration, right, to be able to hire a foreigner. So after they get this permission, they can hire up to 10 or more foreigners to work with their company. But the thing is, what is happening currently, and a lot of agents are promoting this Belarus work visa, is that there are different ways to get this work visa, right? So there are some companies actually that are going to give you this work permit to get a visa to travel into the country. But it does not necessarily mean that you're going to be working with this company. It is just a visa. Once you get into the country, you can find your way around, get a new job that you can start doing. Whereas there are some other companies that are going to hire you for real to be able to work in this company, and they're going to pay you salary, right? Examples of some of these companies and some that I have contacts with construction companies. Here you're going to be working at construction sites, right? But most of these construction companies hire only men and not female. So if you're a man, well, this is good for you if you're ready to start small while you build yourself. And they pay very well. Actually, the salary ranges from around $400 to $1,500 per month, depending on the particular company you're working with, right? And also, there are vacancies in factories. Factories are readily available, and some of these factories pay 1,620 Belarusian rubles. So if you do the conversion, you know the amount in dollars. Currently, $1 is equivalent to 3 Belarusian rubles. So if you convert it, you should know the amount in dollars. So yeah, these kind of jobs are readily available, and also restaurant jobs are readily available. Yeah, and if you also get a work contract with a restaurant here, you can get a work visa to stay in the country and work legally. So yeah, basically these are the processes. So after you get this invitation letter, this work permit from the country, it's going to be sent down to you in your home country, that you use it to apply for your work visa, right? But if you are from countries like Ghana that does not have the Belarusian embassy in your home country, then you can get a visa on arrival, right? You just need to get this document authenticated and legalized by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs here in Belarus. The original is going to be sent down to you, right? And then a copy is going to be submitted at the immigration center at the Minsk National Airport, such that when you get the original in your country, if you don't have the Belarusian embassy in your home country, you can just, book your flight ticket. You have to book a return ticket, like a round trip, actually. If not, they're not going to board you. But when you get into the country and you're not going back anytime soon, you can apply for the return ticket to be refunded back to you. But meanwhile, when you're paying for this ticket, you should go for the option of the refundable option. If not, if you buy the option that is not refundable, that money is going to waste, right? The best they can do for you is to keep it open for 1 year more. And if you don't travel within this period, then the return ticket is gone. So if you're buying the ticket with the hope of getting your return ticket back, then you should go for the option of refundable. Yeah, and when you get into the country, if you're coming for visa on arrival, you're just going to fill the visa application form at the Minsk National Airport at the immigration center, fill it up. They're going to ask you a few questions and you're good to enter the country. But if you have the Belarusian embassy in your home country, like Nigeria, where the Belarusian embassy is located in Abuja, you have to go down there with all your documents, the passport, the application form, the visa application fee. Basically, the visa application fee, they have the standard processing times of 5 working days, which is just 60 euros, and they have the express processing time, which is 24 hours, which is going to cost you 120 euros. So it depends. You just need to submit the document, take your interview, and they're going to review your application and give you the visa. But mind you, the company that is giving you the work permit should be legal and recognized by the embassy. I've heard a couple of situations where their work visa got denied because the embassy did not recognize these companies, right? So you have to be very careful with the agents you're working with. And well, if you want me to use my contact here with a company here to get you a work visa, you can write interested in the comment section, because you can send me a message right now, because the load of messages in my DM got so much that I can't even tap on accept, to reply to your messages anymore. So you just type interested in the comment section and I'll drop all the details right in your DM, right? Thank you.